Hi, I'm Jane Grant from ammu. I thought today, we've done a lot of R&D videos and funding videos, so I thought I was just in the mood to have a chat with everybody about digitisation of businesses and what that means to people and to businesses. Over the years, we've specialised, we're really quite techy, and we've specialised a lot in digitising businesses. But I think that what I wanted to share with you today is what that actually is and what that means. What's not the benefits of it, but what it actually means to a business. The way that we look at it traditionally, what accountants normally do is they normally pull together all the bookkeeping element of the business and pull that together, and that takes quite a lot of time. And sort of small size company, maybe about 200,000 turnover, it might take 8 to 10 hours a month to do their bookkeeping. And you go into Sage, you input your data into Sage, etc., and then you link your payroll in, and you've got your VAT return, and then you pass that information over to your accountant, or your accountant does all the bookkeeping for you to make sure that everything's compliant. With the new types of software that's out there, and we specialise with Xero, and we've digitised a number of companies with Xero, what it does is it basically takes all of that data entry. So the data entry, all the invoicing, all the stuff that you're buying, all the stuff that you're selling, and it automates that process, and it automates and links intuitively with your bank account. So what it means is basically that you can save. There's 92% of the data that you input into your bookkeeping that can be automated. There's about 8% that you need to go in and just do a wee bit of jiggery-pokery with. So what it means is that you can save yourself a lot of time. Average company, as I said, about 200,000, maybe take 8 to 10 hours. Working with us, putting digitisation process in place, a couple of hours a month. That's essentially what you would do through the automation. And what it means for businesses, and this is the transformation that accountants are able to make at this point in time and offer at this point in time. Now, you've got COVID around at the moment, but what it means is that you can automate 92% of your basic data entry, pull your invoices, get them all optically read from your suppliers, and already coded. They just chuck straight into the system. It's a paperless system. Then you do the same with your sales. Your sales can be pulled together from stock or an automated recurring. Then you automate your payment process through Go Cardless or Stripe or PayPal, whatever mechanism that you want. So you start to automate all that, and you save so much time. As I say, a larger company, maybe about £1 million turnover, might have someone part-time doing that, say 3 days a week. We can get them down to one day a week through digitisation, and they can spend value time in the space of looking at the information and doing something, whether you need to increase your sales. So it gives a ball of information in this cloud-based software like Xero in order for it to say, okay, well, what do I want to do next, and spend time on the value of the information and making decisions on your businesses. So I thought I would share that with you today about digitisation and what that means, and the new accountant that's coming through for digitisation of businesses is taking that bookkeeping and moving you into a space of systematising that basic stuff, and getting you into a space where we can talk about the information that's coming through, what your sales are, what your gross margin is, and helping the businesses to move forward and improve it, improve the information that they've got, and give their people more time to do more interesting things than data input of invoices and the bank statements, etc. So I thought that was good, and if you want to find out more, please visit our website. You can book a 15-minute chat with myself or with one of our team to look at the digitisation of your businesses. We've digitised businesses of smaller businesses right through to multi-million-pound companies. But it's time for businesses to move into the cloud and to take that data and get 92% of that data that they're doing on a week-to-week, day-to-day, month-to-month basis, and saying, okay, let's digitise this and move into a space where we can add value to the business in one way or another. Nice to speak to you. Take care. Bye.